Alright, today we will conquer this gate. Let's just run the whole map. Let's go. Unbelievable. We got totally nothing here. Not a single thing, item, not a... Oh yeah, we actually got some of the useless thing here. Do you remember? Or not? I don't know. No, we got totally not a single thing here. We got totally not a single thing. Oh, we got some of this. Okay, yeah. We got some of this. At least a little bit. Things here. MRE packs is actually quite useful. Thought I'm gonna break this game in the last episode, but I don't. But I now know I'm gonna break this game in this episode because I found this place. This have to be the last place. Oh, let's go to this place. We've seen this place before, but we don't know the use of this place, and we don't have any boat. Interesting place. Just some supplies. Actually guess that. Can't carry any more resin? Really? I really got... Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I heard that. Ooh. Oh. Okay. I hope no one push me down here. Feel like someone's gonna push me down, which I don't like. We're full of vodka. Totally full. We can't get any more vodka. Oh, I thought. Oh yeah, we got a lot of batteries. Let's make 2 more. Use 2 more. Got fully armored. Nice. What? Oh, there's only 5 of available. We can have more of those. Interesting. Sun's going down. We can go back to that place and sleep, or we make a new home. You see, we are very far away. We're actually quite close. Let's make a. You know what? Let's just run back. Kelvin, follow me. Follow the trail. Sleep. Nice. Safe. Cook. Oh, too much. Drink. And eat those fish. And chicken. No, it's a rabbit. Get those back. Save again. Let's go. Let's go to that place. Can I cut this? Oh, it's a lot of sticks. Follow the trail. I feel like the autumn is going off. Is this going winter? I hate winter of this game. The rocks just disappeared, so I hope not. Let's see how much. Oh, I have full of those arrows. Should be fine. Can I just repair those carts and then and then use the carts here, because it's actually obviously the maintenance people here is using that cart going around here, going around this island. Refill our bottle that we just drink twice. Ah. And I want to try the revolver. Should be fun. Follow the trail. I'm sorry, my dinner. Oh. I'm sorry, my dinner. Oh, I seriously get it. I thought I wouldn't be able to get it, and I will let it go if I didn't get it last time. Oh, you're big. You're so big. Anything down here? Wow, 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 wow. This water is serious polluted. There's like no sign of... I have to hold something right hand because otherwise the device is like going crazy. Okay, you are fine, right? Okay, he's on the trail. Same trail, just far behind. A little bit behind, not that far. Okay, should be left. Jump. Jump. Shortcuts? No. Game is designed this way. No shortcuts. Yeah, no shortcuts. Shortcuts is just designed to kill you. This game is designed this way. Can't blame. You go up, of course you're gonna die. It just designed this way. So K is just very close. Yes, K. Great. What the trail? The map just shows that the trail is stop a little bit. Is that gonna be very, very dangerous? Because as far as I know, trail is the only safe road. Oh no, it's actually still the way to go. The trail is actually keep going, but the map just doesn't show. And this is right side. Yeah, right side. Oh, launch. Okay, it goes off the trail. Hello. Okay, pretty clever. Left and right. It's hard to have you. And then right. No. Keep straight and then right. Shortcuts. And then right. Get you. Oh, seriously, get you. What? Oh, can't get carry anymore. I will not kill any squirrel again because I've carried too much. It's here. Fireweed? I've never get that. What is fireweed? Whoa. Do we need to save? I don't know, but let's see fireweed. It's the first one. Oh, I finally got one. Do we need to save here? I want to save here. Can I save inside? Of course not. Fireweed. I can't. I can't actually. Oh, I've been here before, but I don't have cards that time. Now I remember. I can't put this. See, I can't place this. Can I call you the... No. Okay, I can't place... Let's just go, you know. If I can place... Place here? Ah! Then we can save. Save. Okay. Don't need to get that done. We have saved. I do remember this place. I've been here once. Down there have got nothing. Oh, no. Up here we have got nothing. Yes. Now I have cards, okay? Finally got in. Laggy. Same design. What? What? Oh, what? Oh, I can't control. Oh, there's a man. You don't dead, man. I just found you. Don't dead, okay? Please, don't dead. Don't dead. I have shotguns. Oh, whoa. Puffton. Fuck. I just saw you a minute. That fucking Chinese guy's there. Oh my god. I know Chinese, you know. 你不要吵，不要打我，我无敌的，不要打我。Oh. Everything just... It's after everything. Shit, this is crazy. Do I have my thing? You know what? Let's hold our revolver. Because this is, you know, the vibe is... No. It's using gun here. We're using guns here. It's not like a normal pushy creep already. We're using guns. Oh, we're gonna save for that, the last gate. Feel like we're gonna save for the last gate. Wow, this is another level of the comfortness. Laptop. Save in cube. Further studies show that our hypothesis may be correct, and that the subject in question are safe inside the cube. Okay, that cube we all knows. We would like to have more. I've heard the sound of pushy. Let's see. Oh, it's just here. What the hell? How much bullet to kill you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, take 6. We got so much of ammo, but I actually would not like to use that too much. So, I'm gonna save them for later. Actually gonna use this. A drone. A arm. Pistol rail. We'll combine that shit. Preliminary findings. Our records show that more research will be needed regarding the artificial something, and second, causes a brief dimensional switch. Oh my lord. Yeah, we all know that. Let's see. Oh, I've got pistol. Got this. Oh my god. Wait, can I remove that? Oh yeah. We can dismantle that. Cool. Save that for later. We cook this? Oh, we have cooked this. Do we have a bed to sleep? Save? No. No. Same design. More letters. What? You know what? I want to try this. Yeah. I want to try 3D. Oh, fuck. Ooh. Sound is just different. Wow, it's a little bit better. Little bit better. Golf ball? Seriously have a golf ball? I thought that is some hint. Seriously, a golf ball? I thought it's just indicating something. Oh, I don't understand. They seriously have golf ball. Okay, this is important. Quite important. I will use my phone to have a picture. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Not sure. Okay. And we just got a letter here just now and we can't read it because a bunch of creep just got inside now. We can't find that letters. Wow. Really want to read about that. You can't find. Those letters are not here. And I don't care. Okay, let's just go up. Down is some path, but up should be nothing. Okay, it's always that pattern. Yeah, same pattern as always. Don't get glitch. Again. Shotgun rail. I've got shotgun rail already. Pistol rail. Aha. I actually would like to dismantle this. Can have this. This is fine. But this is more cool. I just tried this gun. Oh lord, so cool. How many bullets do we have? Alright, 63. I would save all of them for the boss. You know, I want to have easier job to kill the boss, which is which is totally good decision. I got 12. Just make more. Oh, I have to remember. The last boss. It's like the map just told me that the cross burned the demons. So I have to remember the Amen cross. One hit. Oh! I love this. I love this. I love this katana. The damage. Oh my god, the damage. Woo! Ramen noodle. Fast and high damage. Oh. So have a drink. And have a cooked meal. Totally full. Where's the drink? Whatever, I want to try my katana. Okay, stock price, market observation, Puff and Crop, Puff, Sahara, Therapeutics. SAHT, the starting bidding war is from like 18,000 and then something like that or whatever. I don't understand. There's money games. Oh, katana. Oh, what? It's Chinese. Is 恶鬼成败. Demons lose. Demons always lose. 3, 4, 5. Die? Not yet. 6. Oh, die. 5 is enough for one. Oh. Oh. Double right click can cause. Can have this. Hey. Double right. One hit is enough. Yeah, one hit babies the katana. Nice. What is wow? Oh, the whole thing. Golden ammo. Golden ammo. Golden ammo. Where is it? It should be here. It should be right side. Golden. It don't have any. No. What? What? You see? The whole ammo is down now. Is it like the permanent? Golden ammo is permanent? I will never die with anything. Except for fall damage. Crazy. I will try with the. I want to try my gold ammo with that crappy pushy crappy crap. Let's find that Virginia crappy pushy. Golden ammo? Am I like crazy now? Never gonna die now? Oh. Any other places to go? Yes, still other places to go. Oh no. There's no. Oh. This laboratory is finished. Oh, there's also still another way. Let's see. What? This is the total difference one. Hit me! Hit me! Hit me! Wow! Hit me again? Hey! Oh, it actually caused me damage, but it's just like not permanent. Oh, it actually just the ammo is forever, but it cost me. It just reduced a lot. I feel like this is helping. It's actually helping. Deep Sleep Book collected. Ooh. I just got a gold mask. Will all the mutants scared of me right now? I just got a gold mask. Okay? It should be very crazy. I feel like I can't. I feel like this is too deep. Ooh! I have to try this. Huh. Should we eat this? We don't eat that, but we will eat this one. And we will have that. It's the same. We're gonna eat that later. Okay, I like this one. Don't scare me, okay? Don't you guys scare me, okay? Stay dead. Don't wake from death. They will freak the fuck out of me. Okay, I think this is deep enough already. I think we're finished this stage. Oh. You know what? There's nothing to play with the golf, because the golf is just, you know, actually isn't really good. Just use katana. Yeah, where is it? Katana? I can't find katana. I can't find katana. Is that I'm full, so katana is dropped? I don't believe of that theory. Katana is lost. Here. Oh my god, it's hard to see. You know what? Do we want to use that, or we actually use this is better? Yeah, it's just better because it will not. It's just better because it will damage the armor first, and then the health is after that, which is what we want. Is this a way out? I think so. Maybe we're okay. Shit. Okay. I feel like we don't even need this, but it's what it is. Katana. Yeah, the way out. The first thing I want to do is save. Oh, this became blue one? Is that originally blue? Wow. There's tons of them. You know what? I've got an idea. we go we go back to that place. Because we've got 10 inside, do you remember? We've got 10 inside. Don't have to make a house out here because you know this place is crazy outside. It always been. So follow the trails. Oh no. Yeah, and then get in. The trap 10 is just inside. And then we save. Okay, alright. I think the last episode should be the next episode because this is actually quite long. Because I don't know, I just don't know that this is going that deep, but we got a lot of things today. We have got just a tons of things: katana, golf club, and then a lot of message, and also some, you know, crazy pistol, and with those, you know, accessory. We've got everything. We have got everything. So we're gonna break the game. I think maybe we're gonna break the game next episode. Remember to subscribe. It's very, very, very important to me. Very important. Okay, see you guys. Remember to subscribe. See you.